Hello friends, so you see all these people, they're receiving reasonable amount of money as financial help online, and they're receiving this amount of money not because they're just so lucky or they know powerful people or they have huge audience for them to get this amount of money online. They understand the ways to get financial help online. So in today's video, I'm very excited to share to you this best way for you to receive financial help online, and maybe this video is really going to help you. Other people have been trying this for more than 2 years to get financial help on GoFundMe, on too many websites, but they never even received $1 from these platforms. And I say that because I've been talking about all these donations website and how to get donation. There are other people, they really tried their best to get donation, but up to now they never received even $1. So in today's video, I'm going to be really honest with you, and I'm going to show you like the only way that people are receiving this financial help online step by step, and this video is really going to help you. But I'm going to be really honest with you. Financial help online is really not guaranteed. That's the reason that other people are receiving financial help while others are never going to receive financial help. So I will tell you the best that I can to make sure that you are really going to receive financial help by using these tips, but also by understanding like how people are receiving financial help online. So anyone that you see is promising you instant money, that person is lying to you. There is never instant money, but I really hope that this video is really going to help you. So this is how people receive financial help online. This is number one. A really need, not great. So as you can see, all these people that you see on these platforms, other people are receiving up to $10,000, up to $50,000. They're receiving a reasonable amount of money, but the reason that they really receive this money is because they're facing a really financial problem. It can be about they need school fees, it can be they need medical attention, looking for rent, or any emergency that they may be facing. So the reason that they go to this platform is because they're facing very hard times. So if you're also in the same category right now, all you want to do is that you can go ahead and you can join on these platforms, and you may absolutely receive financial help since you are facing financial struggle. But you don't have to lie, you just have to be really honest. And a lot of kind of people and good people, they may want to help you because you're really facing financial problem. All right, so this is our second on how people are receiving financial help online. So you need to come up with this honest and clear story. There are a lot of people that they may want to copy to come up with this story that they're not honest with themselves, and they say that I'm sick, but they're really not sick. But these donors, they really understand if you're lying to them. So you better come up with this story that is really going to motivate these donors to donate money for you. And you need to come up with this story that answers these three questions. The first question, like, who are you? You really have to explain like who you really are, but also what happened to you and made you ask for this amount of money on these platforms, and how will this help going to help you? How will this money be used after receiving this money? So you need to answer these questions. You really need to explain like who are you and what really happened to you, and how are you going to use this money that you may be receiving from this platform. So this is very important. You just need to be honest on what you really need, and you don't need to have perfect English. You just have to be honest. These donors, they just need the truth, and they really understand if you're lying to them. So you better come up with this story which is really genuine, so that you can really receive money and help from these donors. All right, so proof and transparent. This is the reason that people are really receiving financial help online. Once you are really transparent and you show everything to these donors, it will be so easy for them to donate money because everyone trusts you when they see. So after you asking for help, you just have to come up with this. Let's say that you're really sick, so all you want to do right now, you need to come up with this document from hospital and show them that you're really sick, but you just have to hide it like very sensitive information. But you have to show the document that you're really sick. If you are looking for school fees, you need to come up with these letters from school that requires you to pay school fees. If you're really transparent and you show everything to the donors, people may be interested to donate money for you because you are really transparent and you are trusted. So this is very important, and the reason that a lot of people are receiving money online because they are transparent, but also they show proof. This is very important. Sharing with purpose. The only way that your story can be heard is by sharing your story. So how are you going to share your story? It's really important to understand that you must use the right platform to share this story. It can be Instagram or TikTok. After you joining on this platform to get help, they're going to give you this link, and you have to use this link to share to different people, to different platforms. It can be Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. So how are you going to share this link? You just have to share this link, with the purpose. You don't have to share to anyone. You have to share this to purpose, to a given group of people that you think can really help you, and after that you can really get this help, and people, they may not lose trust in you. The last thing is gratitude and accountability. So once you start to receive this money, you just have to be grateful. You just have to tell your donors that you're really thankful for any amount that you receive. This can motivate them to keep donating money for you and to make sure that your campaign is going to be successful. But if you're not grateful, it should be really hard for your campaign to be successful, because other people may give up to keep helping you. So it's very important to be accountability and grateful for anything and amount that you just received from this donation or campaign that you just started. So thanks so much, and I really hope that if you follow all these methods that I've just explained in this video, it's really going to be easy for you to get donation and to get people to donate money for you. Of course, I'm not going to tell you that you can really get this money. It's not guaranteed, but if you're going to use this method, maybe you'll be in a position to start receiving donation from different people around the world. So thanks so much, and I pray to God that may God help you to get the donation that you want, to help you to get through this situation that you are in right now. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.